Now I recently turned on my U11 here and received the OTA update to Oreo. So this one is running the latest Android 8.0, and this is the regular U11, not the U11 Plus. And the iPhone here is running the latest iOS 11.2.2 as of this video. This iPhone is not fake. I have it skinned here in red, and on the front, this is a G-Pel tempered glass screen protector, which is why the cameras look different. I'll go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Settings real quick of the U11. So you can see Android 8.0. There's nothing in the background. Go ahead and clear everything out. The messaging app. And ooh, very close. Maybe the X camera. You guys be the judges on that one. Calculator. Again, very close. The clock. The Play Store and App Store, respectively. Ooh, very close. Go ahead and search for Lyft. And I'll just leave it here. eBay on both phones. Ooh, again, very close. Go ahead and click on this. And leave it on that page. Amazon Shopping. And give this to the U11. Click on these headphones and leave it on this page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Give that to the U11. The speed test app. And give this to the 10. Go ahead and make sure we're on the same server, and we are. Run a real quick speed test on the X. Mario Run. And give that to the U11. Tap to begin on both phones. And we'll just leave it right there. Angry Birds 2. And we have the U11 out in front. But will the iPhone 10 overtake it? And oh, the U11 a little bit faster on this one. Subway Surf. And the iPhone with the comeback will play a little bit and stop the game. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. Oh, very close. Let's see which one will be quicker here. And the iPhone 10, just a tad faster, will play a little bit and will stop the game. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And the U11, just a tad faster on this one. Stop the game right there. Twitter on both phones. Give that to the U11 and Snapchat. U11 again. Take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything is in the background as you can see. And start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. And not sure what happened on the U11. Temple Run 2. This game ready to resume. Subway Surf. Ready to resume as well. Angry Birds 2. Ready to continue. Mario Run. In RAM on both phones. Speed test app. Ready to take a speed test. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Still in the memory on both. Amazon Shopping. Still on those headphones. eBay on both phones. Still on that item, a little bit of a stutter there on the U11, but no big deal. The App Store and the Play Store, respectively. still on that Lift app, the clock on both, right where we left it off, the calculator, right there still, the camera, there we go, and the messaging app. There you have it. Boom! So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this one. Are you an Apple ice sheep rocking your brand spanking new iPhone X? Or are you a loyal HTC fan rocking your U11? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.